Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about series, sequences and series for grade 12. So in this lesson you ought to know the following formula. Tn is equals to A plus into n minus 1 d. This is the formula that you're supposed to know. So, but we need to analyze the unknown. The meaning of Tn is equals to the value of the term. That is the value of the term. The meaning of A is the value of the first term. The value of the first term. Then what does N mean? N means the position. That is the position of the term. Right? And then the last one is D. D means a common difference. That is the common difference between the terms. Okay? Right? Now, let's say you are given, for example, the following series, 3, 7, 11, 15, until to 99. Now, as we said that A is the value of the first term, in other words, T1 is equals to 3, T2 is equals to 7, T3 is equals to 11, T4 is 15, and so on. So you need to find, the first thing that you need to do is to find the common difference. Is to find the common difference. The common difference is found by substituting the second term from the first term. For example, our common difference is D will be equals to T2 minus T1. Another one might say D is equals to T3 minus T2. And you can also say D is equals to T4. That is T4 minus T3. So you need to find the same value here. Hence it's called a common difference. So looking at our series, there is 3, 7, 11, and 15. So our second term is it's 7. So we're going to say 7 minus 3 in this case here. Going to say 7 minus 3, and our answer is 4. Then if you want to find the common difference in case of T3 minus T2, let's see what I'm going to say. T3 is 11, T2 is 7. So we are going to say 11 minus 7, and the answer is 4. Now the last one is T4 minus T3. Let's see, our T4 is 15, T3 is 11. So we're going to say 15 minus 11, and the answer is 4. So can you see that by doing so, you are getting the very same answer there, hence it's called a common difference. So it means you applied the formula correct there in terms of finding the common difference. So as I've said that you ought to know the following formula: Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1D. Now, if you want to prove that indeed T1 is 3, T2 is 7, T3 is 11, T4 is 15, you can do so by doing the following. So as you have applied the formula there, all you need to do is to plug in the values. So write Tn is equals to, we said our A is 3 plus into N minus 1. What is the value of D? The value of D is 4. Then from there, we'll say, okay, 3 plus, multiply this 4 inside to say 4 minus 4 multiplied by N, we get 4N. 4 multiplied by negative 1, you get negative 4. Okay. Then this is Tn equals to, and then Tn will be equals to 4 minus 3 minus 4, you get negative 1, but let's begin with 4n. 4 and negative 4, you get negative 1. Okay, so this is the formula that you are going to use when you are calculating any question given there, any question asked in this question. Now, I said if you want to prove that indeed your T1 is 3, if you want to prove that your T1 is 3, T2 is 7, and T3 is 11, T4 is 14, that's what you are going to do, because you are going to apply that formula as we have already generated it there. So let's prove. Let's say we want to see that you are going to get 3 there on when we want to find T1. So you just say T1 is equals to 4. So where I see N, I put 1 minus 1. This will give me 4 minus 1. And the answer is 3. Indeed, T1 is equals to 3. So our T2 was what? Our T2 was 7. Let's see if we are going to find 7. We're just proving T2 is equals to, you apply the very same formula, which is 4n minus 1. Then T2 is equals to 4. Where I see n, I just put 2 minus 1. Then this will give me 8 minus 1, and the answer is 7. Indeed, our T2 is 7. Now we want to see if our T3 is 11. As you can see here, our T3 is 11. Let's go. Our T3 is 11. Let's go and prove it. Let's quickly go and prove if we are going to get 11. T3 is equals to, apply the same formula for n minus 1. 4, where I see n, I just put 3 minus 1. And the answer here is 12 minus 1, which is 11. So it means our formula is definitely correct. Our formula is definitely correct. So this is how we do it. We have got the following question there. Let's quickly go and see it. Here's the question. The question says, determine which term has the value of 99. Remember, our series goes up to 99. So we want to determine which term has the value of 99. So in which term has the value of 99? So we just apply the same formula. Tn is equals to 4n minus 1. Now, instead of Tn, we just apply 99 is equals to 4n minus 1. So in other words, we are solving the value of n. We are solving the value of n. So we just say 99, take 1 to this side, it's a negative, it's going to be a positive, is equals to 4n. Then I don't want 4n, but I want the value of n. But firstly, let me solve this. Will give me 100 is equals to 4n. Then I want the value of n. I'm going to divide by 4 both sides. So how many times does 4 goes to 100? It goes 25 times. It's equals to, then 4 will cancel 4. Then I remain with n. So in other words, at 25th term, I've got the value of 99. That is how we do it. I've got this value at 25th term. So that is how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Until we meet again, please do not forget to subscribe so that you get more lessons as we dish them out. And those lessons are from grade 8 to 12, free of charge. This is extraordinary. If I were you, I will quickly go and subscribe. Cheers.